Good morning. My name is Mahendra Yadav, Assistant Security Manager. Friends, as you know that Security Department plays a very significant role in safeguarding man, material, and information of any organization. So far as hotel industry is concerned, where the role and responsibility of the Security Department is enhanced because guest expects that his safety and security will be maintained, or he will be more safe in hotel while staying, so that he can be very less delightful while staying in the hotel. So security officer, security supervisor, or security personnel manager, they should be more expert in their profession while dealing any kinds of the emergency situation in the hotels. There are so many kind of situations. There may be emergency like missing of the guest wrist watch in the room. This is the emergency. If the security officer is more professional, he know the action, what action will be taken to deal with the missing of the items, then he can deal with efficiently. So here I want to just mention, or I want to give you some tips or points to remember while dealing with this kind of the situation, means missing of the item from the guest room. If you know the action, if you know the points, then you can just ease the situation. So here there are some points to be remembered while dealing with the security situation. I mean, dealing with the missing of the items of the guest from the room. What points you should remember? Here I want to tell you that you remember these points in your minds. First point is that in case you got the information from the front office, housekeeping, engineering, that guest has complained regarding missing of his or her wristwatch from the room. Point wise, you just remember or take the action. First point is that visit the guest in the room. You along with duty manager visit the room. First point is that. Second point, have the verbal question to the guest. You just may ask the verbal question to the guest politely. Don't put the pressure to the guest. Politely you can ask the questions about the things, what kind of the things you have kept. First, for example, wristwatch. When you have kept, where you have kept, and why you have kept the wristwatch on the table, and after that where you have gone, or when you have last seen. This kind of the verbal question you may ask from the guest. This is the second point. Now you take the third point, is that search. You search the room thoroughly or other place where guest has gone. For example, guest has gone to a restaurant for meal, then you just go to the restaurant and search there and ask the employees. This is the third point. Now fourth point is key card. Immediately go to front office or IT to take out the key cards. As per the key card, you can come to know that which employee has given the service to the room in the absence of the guest. Now is fifth point is interrogation. Fifth point is interrogation. You just interrogate the employees who has given the service in the absence of the guest in the room. For example, housekeeping or engineering departments or room service, front office, bellboy, like that, who has given the service. You can just interrogate them. Then you check the CCTV recording. That is sixth point. You check the CCTV recording. You check the CCTV recording. Who has entered the room and how much time he has taken in the room. While coming out, what was his reaction? What was his mood? You just check through the CCTV so that it is very easy for you to just find out he may be involved or not. Then seventh is immediately you just check the locker of the employee who has given the service to the guest room. Check whether he has kept any item in the room, in the lockers, like watch. Then immediately you just inform to the security guard of the staff gate for searching and frisking of all employees, their bags. Then you inform to the management, that is inform to the management, security manager or general managers. Okay, since incident was happened, I have checked, done all the actions as per the SOPs, and now I am preparing the investigation. Nothing I found. Okay. What action you have taken till now, you just inform to the management. Then you just raise a investigation report or prepare the investigation report. Investigation report consisting of the following points. First, brief history of the incident. Which items, what time, where, like that, all things you can mention in the brief history of the case. Then what action you have taken, you also mention in the investigation report that I went to the room and have the verbal questions. Then I take out the key card. Then interrogate the concerned employees and check their lockers and ask the staff gate to checking, frisking, and CCTV recordings. These all action you have taken, you just mentioned in the action taken columns. Then fact findings. On the basis of the statement of the employees, verbal question, on the basis of the verbal question of the guest, CCTV recordings, any circumstantial evidence, you just mention in the fact findings. Then conclusion. you give your conclusion as per the on the basis of the fact findings, then recommendation. In these are the points. First point is, while preparing the investigation report, brief history of the case. Second is fact findings. Third is conclusions. Fourth is recommendation. Then submit the report to the management. If the guest is not satisfied with the reports, then this is the option of the guest. If he may go to police. In case guest go to the police station regarding missing of his items, then we can show the report to the police. So this is our safer sides. So these are the things you should know. Again, I want to just repeat the points so that again you can remember very well. First point is visit. Second point is verbal question. Third point is search. Fourth point key card. Fifth point is interrogation. 6 point CCTV. 7 point is lockers. 8 point is search and frisking at the staff gate. 9 point is information to the higher management. 10th is prepare investigation report, and 11th is submission to the management. So these are the points you should remember while dealing with the situation like missing of any items of the guest from the room. So these are some topics for you to understand. These are some hints that I can give you. This may be very easy for you to deal with. Thank you very much. Bye.